Oftentimes, I have people asking me whether Minerva is only a good fit for students interested in social sciences or business, since we don't have a campus that would provide the required resources for natural sciences or computational sciences majors. But let me tell you, that is not true. As a matter of fact, as a student who has declared majors in both natural sciences and social sciences during my sophomore year, I found myself surrounded with strong support from Minerva to fulfill my passion in the natural science field. As one of the special events and visits that the Taipei city team readily organized, I had the chance to visit the Asian Institute of Telesurgery in Changhua County. And being able to experience the cutting-edge instruments for telesurgery have enabled me to build a better understanding on how professionals are working to bridge the gap between technological advancements and healthcare services. Additionally, during my semester in Taipei, through the arrangement of Minerva's Natural Science Department, I was offered the opportunity to run labs at the medical school at NTU, which is Minerva's local partner university in Taipei. Among all experiments throughout the semester, some of my favorites were testing out the effect of melatonin in mitigating stress on mice, and learning how to use flow cytometry and reverse transcription on different types of cells. The chance to immerse myself in a lab's work environment was already incredible, but what truly stood out was the hospitality and friendship I developed with the professor and students there.